Seabird's name: pelican, swan, seagull, goose, albatross, penguin, African penguin, kingfisher, cormorant, gadwal, king adder, flamingo, loon, ibis, duck, white stark, mallard, mandarin duck, heron, grey heron, crane, sandpiper, egret, spoonbill, greater scaup, shelduck, Atlantic puffin, scarlet ibis, black swan, clapper rail, wood duck, Arctic tern, Andean flamingo, black-winged stilt, Andean goose, bar-headed goose, anhinga, northern gannet, anseriformes, cattle egret, Australian pelican, pot-billed heron, banded stilt, black-faced ibis, African jacana, white tern, moorhen, water hen, swamp hen, purple gallinule, ruff, ribble, Muscovy duck, wader, American white pelican, Caspian tern, black guillemot, little auk, laughing gull, black-headed gull, common golden eye, swallow-tailed eye, common murre, great bittern, great cormorant, imperial shag, guanay cormorant, razorbill, Eurasian spoonbill, lesser flamingo, grey gull, hammercock, ibis bill, red-necked avocet, African openbill, showbill, red-footed booby, roseate tern, lapwing, sarus crane, snowy egret, snow goose, spur-winged lapwing, whistling duck, white-tailed tropic bird. Thanks for watching.